Exploring the color spectrum, a journey into ivory. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be delving into a new color. Have you ever heard of the color ivory? Well, if not, we're about to discover it together. And if you already have, then this video will help you understand more about it and how to describe it in English. Ivory is a shade of white that has a small amount of yellow or cream in it. The name comes from the material called ivory that was traditionally obtained from the tusks of elephants. When you see ivory, think about a white color that is slightly warmer, a bit softer than pure white. Ivory is quite often used to describe items that are elegant or refined. We often use the color ivory to describe things like clothing, especially wedding dresses, paint colors, paper, and even some types of creamy foods. It's also often used to describe antique items, as many have taken on an ivory hue over time. Here's how you could use ivory in sentences. She wore an ivory wedding dress. The room was painted an ivory shade to give it a warm and elegant feel. He wrote the letter on ivory paper. Understanding a color can be easier when we compare it to similar ones. Ivory is similar to, but not the same as, colors like beige or cream. While all of them are variants of white, each has a different undertone. Cream has a heavier yellow undertone, beige has a brownish undertone, while ivory has a slight yellow or cream undertone. Here's an example of how you might compare them in conversation. I prefer an ivory shade for the curtains rather than beige or cream. It gives a more elegant look. That's all about the color ivory. Remember, ivory is a slightly yellowish shade of white, often associated with elegance and refinement. Start noticing it around you, and try using it in your everyday conversation. Until next time, keep exploring the colors of the English language.